Jamie, you ready to roll?
Ready to roll, bro.
Oh, what do you think, Nathan? It's a beautiful morning. The Supra over there, C8 over there. Dawn's missing in action. Nobody knows where Dawn is. And all right, let's do this.
Let's go.
Jamie, where's your camera? Everybody here has cameras and tattoos. Where's your camera?
I just got the tattoos.
No camera.
Tattoos.
Thanks for that, bro. Is anybody excited to get some tacos and see some cars today?
Just cars, no problem.
Don't start with me. Jamie, give me a cold start. That'll wake up the neighbors.
Lots of them.
Yeah. Dawn?
Yeah.
How are we leaving in 5 minutes when nobody's here?
Well, I was here half an hour, so
Yeah. We were eating Swiss Chalet half an hour ago.
how does it feel?
It always feels great.
I'm starving.
Yeah. Are you? You didn't eat?
No, we haven't eaten yet.
Oh man.
I know.
We had I'm so full off Swiss Chalet right now.
Well,
Yeah, Nathan had extra. Mrs. Dawn's life. Why are you yawning?
Yawning!
Are you tired? You had a big day today?
I'm so exhausted.
Look at your shirt matches the car.
And I haven't even eaten yet today.
You didn't eat today?
Not at all.
How many Starbucks have you had?
2.
Oh boy, well, that's not good. She is getting hangry. You need to feed her ASAP. Yeah, we had Swiss Chalet. It was delicious.
Do you know how you say that I look younger than you?
Yeah.
And I'm like 10 years older than you?
Yeah.
Because I don't eat that shit.
Dawn, these are all good arguments.
pretty good.
Yeah.
She's on her game right now.
She's on her game, yeah.
I'm just I'm okay.
Yeah, there should be a lot of cars here, but they showed up. They're late, but they're here. Oh, I want some tacos. And ruin Dawn's video. I feel like I'm on an episode of Fast and the Furious here. Oh, there's Britt. Man, it was nice of you to join the party. How are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, man. Good to see you.
Same here. What's up, the Godfather? Long time no see.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pretty how you work hard for me. While forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and slice it up. Now it's time to marry me. And right after we're done. I like it when you're looking like that. I like it when you check. I like it when you're looking like that.
Well, we made it to Whips and Tacos here. I gotta say, I'm impressed. There's a lot of cars here, a lot of people here. Look at this. It's insane. So many people here. Jamie, how many cars are here? How many people are here?
I'd say probably 200.
I'd say a couple hundred, yeah. Like shit like this. Look at this MK4. Oh. Oh. Beautiful. Jamie, when I say there's everything here, I mean literally everything. Literally everything, Jamie. Everything. Fucking Peter, you scared us. Hey. Yo, now we're getting somewhere. This thing's cool. I love this.
This one?
Yeah, I don't know why. I love it. I told you there was a bigger spoiler here and you didn't believe me.
I don't think that spoiler's bigger.
Other one.
The uprights are bigger.
You're an upright. Those uprights are almost as tall as you are.
Your mustache needs
They're
an
almost as tall as you. Literally everything here, but I like this. Awesome. That's nothing puts a ring on it like that.
That's right.
Yo, Dom Toretto, what's up? I love this. Jamie,
Yeah.
when I said everything, I mean literally everything. This dude stacked tires on his roof. Let's go, Integra. You guys are still here, Dawn. Your wife is starving to death.
Starving, that's what starving looks like.
She's literally losing weight as we stand here. Come on, Dawn, do better, do better.
I can't get out.
Ah, you can't get out, can you?
We're blocked.
You're blocked, yeah. Yo, what's going on here? Electric Jaguar. Is that light bar custom?
Oh, get a roller in the van.
Everything.
Get a roller in the van.
Even
It's got exhaust out the
basement
front.
vans. Yeah, it does. Yeah. Jamie, let's head back. What? So Jamie, we made it back.
We made it back, yeah.
Made it back, and Brittany's warming up over here.
Yeah.
Are you warm?
Yeah, the engine's really warm.
Good.
It's great.
All right, Jamie, check it out, bro. We got RS, GT350, a Lexus. What Lexus is this? Do you know? Me neither. The Aventador, LP700. Dude, this is a white car. It's wrapped. That looks familiar, hey? Sean's Charger. Challenger, sorry. Huh. You know what I did think?
What's that?
The white wall writing on the tires. It's gangster. And he's got it stanced awesome too. Like just awesome. Yeah, it looks really good. Sounds insane. Hey, are you guys coming to Cars and Coffee tomorrow?
Yeah, we'll come.
You're coming?
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys there. Awesome. Britt, you coming to Cars and Coffee tomorrow?
I am.
Awesome.
It's early, so there will be lots of coffee.
Yes, 9 a.m. Okay, Jamie, you ready to roll?
I'm ready to roll, bro. Still smell the tires.
How much smoke was out there?
There was so much.
How much smoke was there?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Good.